Hello my friends, welcome to the channel Your Bestie, and today I have brought all of you 14 plus Udemy courses for free, and link is applied in the description box, so you don't need to type the coupon code. So let us begin the course. The first course is HTML and CSS certification course for beginners. This is one of the best course I could bring for you. It costs 9,600 as I have created the coupon and applied the coupon in the description box, so don't worry. Just click on enroll now and you can enroll for this course. At number 2 we have Bootstrap and jQuery, and in my previous videos my subscribers have asked in the comment box that sir, include Bootstrap and jQuery course with certificate, so I have brought this course. At number 3 we have NGINX, Apache, SSL encryption certification course. SSL encryption nowadays having it's a bright future if you study SSL encryption, so enroll for this course. And at number 4 we have Adobe Premiere Pro CC, and this is the one of the best course and demanded course, and even the creator Brad Newton is famous in photography, so enroll for this course and get to go. At number 5 we have how the internet works and web development process also. It gives us information about HTTP, HTTPS, SMTP mail delivery, and LAN, WAN, and also network basics and firewalls. So enroll for this course. Hurry up guys, only one day left at this price. At number 6 we have complete photography masterclasses, so 4 courses in one, so enroll for this course. See, even the preview video is very nice. So at next we have the Kali operating system uses in cybersecurity. This is also a good course. It as you know, the Kali Linux software is used in ethical hacking penetration testing, so enroll for this course guys. Next we have fundamentals of network security. Even my previous subscribers have asked to bring course on network security, so I have brought this course for you guys. At next we have vulnerability identification in cybersecurity. This is also good course in cybersecurity. And next we have scanning cybersecurity hacking course. Yeah, even this I have included 3 cybersecurity hacking course, but the 3 are also different, so enroll for all the 3 courses. Next we have machine learning and deep learning in R, and this is about cover regression, decision trees, SVM, neural networks. And in my previous even one of my subscriber has to include data structures in R, and even about data structure and algorithm. They can enroll for this course. This course is 35 hours. Believe, this is the best course I can give you for all my subscribers. Thank you guys. So at next we have learn management in 2020, Agile plus Kanban with 7 plus tools and tips. This is for all PDSA students, so you can enroll for this course. At next we have build with Kiwi and Python, and this is also a good course having a rating of 4.5, so enroll for the course as soon as possible because only 12 hours left at this phase. At next we have a new AWS certified cloud practitioner, 5 full practice exams, so this is also one of the best course, and today I have included all these course because I have reached 50 plus subscribers. This is a giveaway from my side, so guys don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel with your friends. So also comment in the comment section that what course should I include in next video, so that I'll try to bring your course. Okay, thank you.